I am here to present on IoT for predictive maintenance and carbon credit generation. Did you know that every year industry loses billions of dollars due to wasted energy, due to machine failures and downtime of machine, escalating energy costs and wasted energy, missing out on sustainable targets? Imagine a machine, a supposed engine of progress, suddenly comes to a halt and stops working, not just once, but multiple times in a year. Each second of downtime leads to low production, increased maintenance needs, and also wasted energy. And because of that, worse still, as emissions soar, companies miss out on the lucrative carbon credit market that leads to leaving both money and environmental progress on the table. Please, next slide. The problem is very clear and evident. Industries are still flying blind, and this is due to their inability to efficiently predict machine failures while maintaining energy or optimizing energy usage. So, current system cannot, next slide please. Current system cannot integrate predictive maintenance as well as track carbon credits efficiently. But what if we could change the story? Our solution, IoT-driven predictive maintenance and carbon credit generation, is a game-changer innovation. And imagine a system or a network of IoT sensors that encompasses microcontrollers, gateway, chips, all installed on your critical equipment, which tracks and delivers real lifetime insights into the energy consumption, predicts machine failures before it happens, and also track emission, all at a single glance. Sometimes it's not just about fixing problems, it's also about predicting and preventing them right before it happens. With our solution, industries can cut energy or reduce energy consumptions by up to 30%, and also industries can reduce energy costs by up to 30% and also cut greenhouse gas emissions, which automatically translates into carbon credit generation and is then traded in the carbon credit market, leading to, is then traded in the carbon credit market. Can you please, next slide. And is then traded on the carbon credit market that is projected to hit about $50 billion by 2030. So this means that we are talking about dual impact. We are talking about operational efficiency as well as environmental impact. And why now? You may ask. The industry or the IoT industrial market is set to skyrocket to about $264 billion by 2027. The world is changing, and the time to evolve is now. Our platform, our solution, supports the Sustainable Development Goal 13, which is the climate action, as well as the SDG 9, which means that we contribute towards that, and we also support the global efforts in fighting towards climate change. So imagine the possibilities. A more sustainable future. Please, next slide. A more sustainable future where every machine downtime avoided translates into cost savings and also environmental benefits. Industries become not just participants, but also leaders, but also first leaders in the fight against climate change. We are seeking for fundings to scale our platform, expand pilot programs, and forge significant strategic partnership with forward-thinking companies that are committed towards sustainability. Please, next slide. They are committed towards sustainability. Together we can revolutionize industrial operations, leading to unlocking new revenue streams and also transforming the global transition towards a low carbon economy. And I also urge, or would also like to urge, next slide, would also like to urge the audience in joining us to transform this narrative, because change begins with you and I. Thank you very much.